Homeowners, when your AC dies in the middle of the summer or your fridge goes out fully stocked, did you make the right call? This is what a home without a warranty looks like. And this is one with a plan through HomeSafe. Call HomeSafe before a disaster happens and avoid the financial gut punch. Because a home warranty from HomeSafe can save homeowners thousands on expensive repairs or replacements on over 20 home systems and appliances. That includes your home's AC, electrical, plumbing, washer and dryer, refrigerator, and more. All covered in one locked-in, month-to-month plan.
Pick up the phone and call HomeSafe because HomeSafe works for me. I know it'll work for you.
With HomeSafe, you choose the plan, the coverage, and you can even choose from our pre-screened technicians.
If your covered part or appliance can't be fixed, HomeSafe will replace it. So, you see, HomeSafe versus the alternative isn't even close. Call for your free quote now.
Protect your home from expensive home system and appliance failures with a home warranty from HomeSafe. 800-894-4236.